Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When the weather is nice and warm, I want to be out there, not here. Unless with barbecue, I like to make my 30-minute or less recipes. It has to be quick, of course, very delicious, and uncomplicated. Well, look what I have here. Another amazing recipe, perfect when we want a fast meal. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my teriyaki beef noodles. I love this dish. With a beautiful combination of vegetables along with sirloin steak, seasonings, and udon noodles, this is a satisfying meal you love to make often because it's that good. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. When it gets hot, working in batches, we'll add the meat strips. We'll saute them until brown, about 2 minutes. If it needs some oil, add more. When they're done, we'll transfer the strips to a bowl and set them aside while working with the remaining ones. Next step. At this point, we'll definitely need to add more oil. And just like earlier, when it gets hot, we'll add the carrots and saute them for just 2 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers as well as yellow peppers. And also snap peas. We'll saute the ingredients for 2 minutes. This recipe is pretty quick. We're already halfway done. Next, we'll add the green onions, the white parts only, and stir for 1 minute. We'll now add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll quickly saute them for 30 seconds. If you see there's not enough oil and the ingredients start sticking at the bottom, you're allowed to add a little bit more oil, alright? Then we'll stir in some red pepper flakes. Not much, just a little, before returning the meat to the wok and blend it with the vegetables. We'll season with some ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and then pour in our teriyaki sauce. My homemade recipe is incredibly tasty, and to get it, click on the top right corner of your screen. When it starts simmering, we'll add our cornstarch mixture and stir until the sauce thickens, about 45 seconds at the most. Here comes the udon noodles that we cooked according to package directions, and we'll toss them into the mixture until very well coated before removing the wok from the heat. We'll serve in warm serving bowls, sprinkle on some sesame seeds, and garnish with the green parts of the green onions. And my friends, these are our teriyaki beef noodles. This colorful stir-fry recipe has a tasty combination of ingredients. With several layers of flavor, plus extremely quick to make, this is a great meal everyone will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!